In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with guests in Monday.com. First, open your Monday.com account and head to your home view. From there, move into Workspaces. Workspaces keep related boards and projects organized, so choose the workspace where you want your guests to collaborate. If you already have the right board set up, great. If not, no problem. We'll make one quickly. Inside the workspace, click the plus icon to add something new. Choose board to create a fresh space for your project. Give it a clear name so your guest immediately understands what it's for. If your plan supports it, make sure the board is set to be shareable so external guests can join. Shareable boards let you collaborate with people outside your organization while keeping everything else private. Once your board is ready, open it. At the top, you'll see controls to help you bring people in. You can copy the board link for quick reference if you plan to include it in a message or calendar invite. Remember, though, copying the link alone doesn't grant access. Guests still need an invitation to view or edit the board. To add your guest properly, click the invite button on the board. This opens the subscribers or sharing panel. If the person already exists in your account, use the search bar to find them and add them right away. This is handy for returning contractors or partners you've worked with before. If your guest is brand new, choose the option to invite a new member by email. Type their email address carefully to avoid bounced invites. You can usually add a short note that explains what the board is about and what you expect them to do. When you're ready, click Invite to send the invitation. They'll receive an email with a secure link to join the board as a guest. Guests can only see the boards they're invited to, which helps protect the rest of your workspace. After they join, consider reviewing board permissions so your guests can do exactly what they need, like updating items or leaving comments without exposing sensitive information. Keep your columns and groups well labeled so your guest understands what to update and where to communicate. If they don't receive the invite, ask them to check spam or resend the invitation from the same panel. When the project ends, you can remove the guest from the board to close access. And that's it. You've navigated to your workspace, set up a board if needed, copied the link for reference, and invited your guests by search or email so you can collaborate smoothly.